The easy project. We're just gonna replace this. As you can see, I gotta do the plumbing too, but we're gonna just put a new kitchen sink strainer on here. Up with the old, and as you can see, you gotta take that part off right there. It's easy to come off. Easy to come off. It's just, now what I had to do is take my little chisel and my hammer. There's a tool that comes with this, but sometimes it needs a little bit more torque. So just with a hammer and this, and you're able to get it, and once you get it off, it's just easy to just unscrew it. And boom, there you go. It's out. Clean this up a little bit, because there's a washer that goes here. Some people call it a gasket. This is old technology where you have to screw this in under the bottom, but new technology, it has a hole in the middle. Now this piece goes on the bottom like the other one, but the difference is this screws in the center here, but it lives on top of this. So when you put this down on here, on the top, it's got a tool that comes with it. As you can see the little grooves in there. You can use your regular flathead screwdriver, and you just tighten it down. This is on the top of the sink, this is on the bottom. This goes on the bottom, this goes on the top. Put this under here. Put this bolt on here. Make sure it's square. Hand tighten it first, then all you gotta do is take the screwdriver, tighten it up, boom, 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 you're good to go. While replacing the sink strainer with this new one and connecting the strainer to the old pipes, which is here, this piece broke off, corroded off when it moved in that hole. So I gotta make some stuff work PVC style in order to get the old and the new to work. So this piece broke off. I'm gonna figure out how to get this thing to work. Yep. So I use my drill to grind it out to get all the old corrosion out. So instead of going back galvanized, I want to go PVC. But I was messing up the threads on this trying to get it back in there. So what I decided to do is take the old pipe that's got a good side on it, put this back in here to get the threads back going smoothly, to get all this crud and corrosion out of here. As an easy way to rethread it versus getting any fancy tools. Then I can connect this PVC. We're good to go with mixing the old with the new. Good thing it happened when it did, because this piece loosely came off. Why? Because as you can see, it's corroded and broke off as well. So that's why all this brown stuff is here, because this one was leaking as well. After I cleaned it out, I was able to take a good side of this pipe from the bad side in there, and I can rethread it with this pipe, and then I can stick the PVC in there, and it's gonna work good. Booyah, baby, booyah! It's like Prego, it's in there, holding strong. Booyah, baby, booyah! Y'all know we had to do it. Sink is in there. PVC is in there. You remember we had that when we had to gouge that out. It's looking good, baby. KODIDesigns, baby. KODIDesigns. Come on.
I see ya. Let's go. What's up, it's your boy Cody here, Chi-Town.